Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is March 12, 2024, Tuesday. Option expiry for FinNifty. First the levels, then the power of technical analysis. So FinNifty closed at 2897.50, 0.17% up. It formed a spinning top with a long upper wick and a long lower wick. So before explaining that, we'll go to the power of technical analysis, then we'll come and explain what it means and all those things. Then BankNifty, on the other hand, it formed 47, it closed at 47,282.40, 0.1% down. Spinning top, once again similar pattern with a long upper and lower wick, while Nifty formed a perfect doji, 22,335.70, exactly more or less at yesterday's close, and again the same story with the long upper and lower wick. Before we go into the discussion part of it, what is the levels that we said yesterday? Yesterday we had said that on the lower side it is going to be to the 20-week exponential moving average, which is at 2556. So did it go there? It never went there. So though it went all the way down up to 2647, right, which is the Bollinger Middle Band on the daily chart. Somewhere there it went, then it bounced. On the upper side we had said that, because see this market, it is like it's a very violent market. So hence like on the monthly upper band is something which is the resistance we had said, which is at 21,487. It never went there. So what happens? What happened today? So FinNifty formed a spinning top with a long upper and lower wick. A morning what happened? It opened a gap down and it went significantly down. Then what happened? There was some short covering rally exactly at 936 or 937, around that, between 930 to 940 levels, and then it bounced beautifully, and all the people who had wrote call option got trapped. I would kill. So morning what happened? It went down and it trapped all the bears. That's what it is. So it trapped all the call option writers till 21,000. Then what happened? Thereafter it made a big fall, very big fall, and during that one fall itself, it fell around 300 points. So that's the kind of volatility, intraday volatility within which the market is going. So hence even professional traders find it extremely difficult difficult, but with their experience, they will, I am sure many of the professional traders, successful traders I'm talking, they would have managed the situation very well. But amateurs would have been killed today. So that is what it is. Hence, no one has to be extremely careful. So Bank Nifty also formed a similar pattern. Nifty, on the other hand, formed a perfect doji. So what it indicates, if you recollect, yesterday we had said that it formed a solid reversal red candle, first reversal. So it formed a evening star, all three indices, when I say it. Okay, after which today it was near the exponential moving averages. Hence, no, a breakdown or break on the significant up move had to happen. But because market is not having a one directional movement, a clear direction movement at this stage, hence, no, initially it came down, then it went up, then it came down, then finally it closed more or less at the same level. So it's a perfect case of indecision. If anybody wants to learn technical analysis and wants to know what is doji, what is spinning top, what is upper wick, lower wick, and what is indecision, please see today's candle of Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty, and see the upper wick and see the lower wick, how far up and down it has gone. So then that means it is like, it will be confusing even for a professional traders to trade tomorrow. Reason is very simple. If the low is near, if the low is taken out, then there will be some clue that will be available. Whereas if the high is near and if the high is taken out, there will be some clue available. So the high and lows of today is so variant. That is like the high is so high and the low is so low, that the difference is so huge that it is difficult even to trade tomorrow. I already am saying. Hence, no one has to be extremely careful, otherwise people will be trapped. So this is a clear case of indecision. But eventually what happened, the exponential moving averages are held. Hence, no, that is something good sign. At least Bank Nifty is concerned and Nifty is concerned. Bank Nifty slightly it came below, but Fin Nifty managed to close above. Notwithstanding that, tomorrow is a different day and we have to see how the movement is. Today's move was solely, I would call, like the innings of Virendra Sehwag against Australia in the World Cup 2003 finals. He was solely holding it. Like that, today HDFC Bank was the main driver. So HDFC Bank was nearly up 2%, which is why there was some strength in all these indices. Otherwise, it would have been hammered and they would have been out and down decisively. With that, let's go into the background. On the banks, Axis Bank, AU, IDFC fell 1%, Bandhan and Federal and SBI 2% down, Yes Bank fell 3%, HDFC Bank 2% up. You can see that. Others remain sideways. Financials, IDFC, L&T Finance 1% down, LIC Finance, Manappuram, Sriram 2% down, Chola 3% down, Jio is a sole winner moving up by 2%. Insurance and cards, SBI cards, SBI Life 1% down, LIC 2% down, others remain sideways. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance moved up by 1%. In the IT, Apple and Wipro 1% down, Birlasoft, Emphasis 2% down, Infi 1% up, Intellect, LTIM and TCS 2% up, which is why Nifty formed a doji. In the consumer goods, ITC, Nestle, Bata, Britannia 1% down, Berger, Pidilite, Page, PVR 2% down, DMart 1% up. In the automobiles, everything was down excepting one or two. Ashok Leyland, Bajaj Auto, Escorts, Tata Motors, TVS Motors 1% down, Eicher Motors and Maruti 1% up. In the metals, Coal India, Hindalco, JSW and Tata Steel 1% down, Jindal Steel, NMDC and Vedanta 2% down, SAIL 3% down, National Aluminium 4% down. On the health and pharma, Apollo Hospitals, Divi's, Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma 1% down, Cipla and Lalpath 2% down, Metropolis moved up by 1%. In the others category, Jubilant Food and Ultratech 1% down, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Aries, IRCTC, MCX, Nika all down 2%, Havells down 3%, DLF down 5%, Godrej down 4%. The up move was seen in Zomato and Indigo, which moved up by 1%, India Mart by 2%. So with all these things, what is the levels that we are expecting? So tomorrow the levels are going to be extremely challenging. But what we are saying for tomorrow is the 50-day moving average, which is at 46,586, 50-day simple moving average. That is something which will act as a very good support. And 2024 high, which is at 48,400 levels. That is something which will act as a resistance, because it is going to be extremely volatile, and hence such a wide range of support and resistance is something which one can think of. Thank you very much.